So I have been gardening since I was at a young age and have started making videos a couple of years ago. So in this video I will be collaborating with Owen from the Welsh Gardener on what got us into YouTube and gardening altogether and why we enjoy it. So I can't remember exactly what got me into growing things, but I do remember when I was at a young age, about 5, to be honest I really can't remember. But I do remember messing around with like strawberry plants and the little runners that come off them, you know, so you can make more plants. And I found that really interesting that you could make more plants from, you know, an older plant. So yeah, since then I've grown lots of fresh fruit and veg, grown a 14-foot tall sunflower, and recently I have started making a fruit tree orchard. I say recently, I did start it ages ago, but since, you know, the last couple of years I've been working quite hard on this orchard, and we're getting trees planted to grow lots of nice apples. So yeah, a couple of years ago, like I said, I started this YouTube channel, and it all started, you know, me watching other creators make videos, and I just thought I could have a go at it, and I made a video on storing gladioli bulbs. It definitely wasn't my best video, but it's my most popular video on my channel, and it's got over 17,000 views at this current time of recording, about 17,800 I think. I checked just this morning for this video, and yeah, that was just a success. And you know, I started making lots of videos and then started gaining subscribers, and it was just a really good sense of community. And my community, everyone that keeps commenting on my videos and watching my videos, keeps motivating me to make even more videos, so I thank you all very much for that. So one big thing I really like about making these videos is that it documents my experiences, you know, whether things have gone, you know, good or bad, how things have grown. And you know, it's all about documenting and sharing that, so I know what to do next year, and I can, you know, share those experiences so other people can also improve and learn from my mistakes and what has gone well. So yeah, documenting it does help motivate me to do these videos as well. And also, you know, that documentation, meaning that you can do better each following growing season, also motivates me to carry on growing things, because you know you can do better each year. And it's that improvement, knowing that you can do better every single year, no matter how long you'll probably do this for. You know that you'll be able to do better each year. And it's also about trying new things out, so growing new tree species. And you know, like this year, just right here, trying out the blight resistant crimson crush tomatoes. We're also trying no dig, so you know, for me it's gone from, you know, just basically playing with plants sort of thing to, you know, actually trying new things and, you know, trying new, you know, approaches on gardening to see, you know, what we can improve on to get better harvest, better soil life that can keep on feeding the plants. So we'd like you to take part in this collaboration as well. So on what inspires you to make videos, if you make videos, or what inspires you to carry on gardening, what motivates you, what inspired you in the first place to start, and you know, what keeps you going, motivated. So yeah, we would like you to take part in this collaboration, because we think people will have some interesting stories, and you should be able to share some of your knowledge as well. So yeah, I would really like to see some of you lot taking part in this collab. So I will leave Owen's channel and his video on this down below in the description, so you can go check his channel out. He does lots of different gardening videos, so I'd say if you like my channel, you'd definitely like his. He's got lots of creative ideas and that, so definitely go check him out and maybe subscribe to his channel. And if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please remember to click that like button and press subscribe with notifications on, so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And apart from that, click up here to watch my latest video, and just click below it to watch on why you should start a gardening YouTube channel. And apart from that, thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video, and I hope to see you all in the next one. So bye bye everybody.